Tour school. My name is Debbie and this is all the kids from Setani down at Kondalozi in the Valley of a Thousand Hills in South Africa, and we just want to thank you so much for all the fundraising that you've done to buy some soccer kits for these kids. One thing they really love is football, as you call it, and they're really going to love the outfits that you've made, and thank you so much. Some of the children here are facing challenges and they're really going to appreciate it, and we're having a lot of soccer tournaments in the holidays, so it's really going to be great to have the kits. Thanks so much. Thanks to your parents and teachers and to all of you. Well done. Let's say thanks and hi guys. Say hi to the guys.
Hi.
There's Freeman, there's Lindiwe, all the children, beautiful dam in the back, and there's Bonnie. Thanks guys. Thanks guys. Thank you. There's little one down here. You're going to watch that. I'm so happy.